Humbl versus Phunware. So in this video, we're going to be talking about these two companies specifically and trying to compare them as much knowledge as I have on at least Humbl. So right now the market is red. Like, it's pretty ugly. Everything's down at almost 1%, including Bitcoin is also down too. Yet Humbl is doing pretty decent today. It's up 9%, 15 cents. $1.76. It has a market cap of $1.7 billion and it's traded on the OTC markets. Currently, I could be wrong, but I don't think Humbl is making a huge amount of revenue right now. I think the only money they're making off revenue is those ETX that people pay $5 a month. Assuming, let's assume, best case scenario, they got about 10,000 people using it. Maybe 100,000. Let's call it 10,000. So 10,000 people using the ETX. You times that by $5 a month. That's about $50,000 a month times 3. So they're making $150,000 a month, a quarter from those ETX. Let's assume 100,000, on the high end, right? Times 5. Times 3. They're making $1.5 million per quarter on revenue, and they have a market cap of $1.7 billion. And currently, right now, on the market, they have the Humbl app, the Humbl Pay app. I find it completely useless. At the moment, I find it completely useless because I don't need to use it for anything. So, but it's a really pretty app. And there's a lot of investors that love this company that will, take a bullet for this company or whatever. I don't know why, but that's what, that's great marketing on the company's perspective, right? The company has they're very good at marketing. Very good at marketing because they have a ton of fans that are following the company that truly believe in this story and believe that Humbl will be like the next PayPal, Apple or whatever. Me personally, I think that there's too much risk versus reward because it's like there's so much competition in what they're doing. I mean, what's stopping PayPal from copying exactly what Humbl is doing? Nothing. So, Humbl doesn't have anything revolutionary, at least in my opinion. So, it is what it is. But if you really believe in this company, then, buy it. That's all I really have to say. But personally, I don't. If I was to buy in, it'd be literally a swing trade. But I'll wait for an extremely red day, and then I'll buy in. And as soon as it moves up, sell. So we'll see what happens. But that's my plan moving forward. I don't know about you guys, but that's my plan. Funware. So Funware, it's a company that it's not really similar to Humbl. It's different. They're like a software. They're an app developer. They develop apps for clients, and they also can make their own app. They are making their own wallet right now, and they have their own fun coin and fun tokens, and as a customer you can buy it. So their plan is to release a wallet, and this wallet is to be able to hold these fun coins and fun tokens, and in this wallet you'll be able to earn yourself some fun coin and fun token by doing certain activities, like maybe watching an ad, doing a survey, moving to, go to McDonald's and buy something, or signing up to some kind of website. You get some fun token, fun coin, or you can buy those fun token, fun coin too, if you prefer. So they are trying to appeal to the mass audience by getting a lot more people into cryptocurrency by offering them ability to easily get fun coins and fun tokens without using real cash, making people feel more comfortable with it. Humbl, I don't even know what they're really doing. I mean, they are doing ticketing so people can buy tickets instead of going to a physical thing. Personally, I would prefer real tickets over a ticket on an app, but that's my opinion. You know, that's just me being old school. Some people maybe just want it on an app. They're doing, you know, I think non-fungible tokens with athletes, and they're hoping that, you know, that could be like valuable and that they could make a lot of money off that. I don't know at the end of the day. I mean, but the valuation is ridiculous on it. It's 1.7 billion, while Funware has a valuation of 107 million. They have 100. They currently have about 71.21 million shares, while Humbl has over a billion. And then if we look at their financials, right, like they are making what, $2 to $3 million of revenue per quarter. It's been dramatically hit by COVID, but according to my research, they expect to be break even, possibly profitable in the back half of 2021 because they have some big customers coming in and, you know, generating them revenue and profits, and the gross margins is really high. They have a gross profit of 101.4 million out of the $2 million of total revenue. They also have high expenses too, and so they have like 200 plus employees, I believe. So it is what it is. But you know, I'm more bullish on this company because I haven't seen the app yet. I feel like the app could just, you know, be very useful to the average people, and I am very bullish on this company long term. Oh, well, not even long term. I'm just gambling that the app is successful. But even if, you know, I feel like if it is successful, we're gonna break its 52-week high of $3.04. And you could double your money, and the company wouldn't even be considered overvalued because at $3, we're talking about a market cap of $250 million. That's not even that much compared to Humbl at $1.7 billion. So it is what it is, but you know, maybe there's something in Humbl that I'm not aware of that, you know, makes it 1.7 billion or $3 billion if it goes back to $3. I don't know. At the end of the day, stocks are worth as much as big money is willing to buy the stock and pump it. And so could it go back to $3? Sure. Right now, from the charting perspective, Humbl looks like it's downtrending. It bounced for the past 2 days. Could it continue? I don't know. I don't think so. I think it's going to eventually crash, but you know, and you never know, right? There's a lot of people that love this company. So personally, I just look at the logic of it and it makes no sense to me, and I can't understand why it's valued at 1.7. I couldn't understand why it was valued at $3 billion in the first place. Even at 1.7 billion, I still can't think of the valuation. If this company was valued at 300 million, then yeah, I would be bullish on Humbl. But it's not valued at 300 million. It's valued at $1.7 billion. For a company that has absolutely no revenue at the moment. I mean, they could make $1.5 million of revenue per quarter with the ETX. But is that going to cover all the expenses? I don't think so. Is the app going to make the money? I don't know how it will, but you know, you never know in these kind of scenarios. Maybe. So, no, that's just my 2 cents on the whole subject. But again, you know, that's just my 2 cents. So, I mean, I'm like, if you told me, you had a gun to me, told me you gotta buy, you know, Funware, Humbl, I'd totally buy Funware, sorry, because I just think that it's severely undervalued for what the company does, and it has a tight float. So, that's just my opinion. We'll see what happens. Bitcoin, woo, look at that, damn. Bitcoin down to 52.793. That's very ugly. AABB. I'm more bullish on AABB than Humbl. So that's just me. Yeah, they had some news today. QU, you know, I'm very bullish on this company. I'm hoping that, you know, it has a pullback to maybe 38 cents. That would be nice. We'll see what happens. But right now the momentum looks like it's going to break its 52-week high, right? Like the peak of the last one was up, the RSI level was up here, right? I'm thinking that this stock is going to go to $1 in the short term here. And that's just my opinion. I don't know for sure. I don't know where the market's going to push the stock price, but that's what I think is going to happen. I think it's going to break its 52-week high. That's just my opinion. We'll see what happens. SOS Limited, I'm very bearish on this company. I think it's a scam. That's just my opinion. Hut, I really like this company, but if Bitcoin continues to decline, this will decline with it. Mera, I think this is overvalued, and I think it's probably going to go down more. RSI, Ritual Superfoods, I'm very bullish on the management. I believe management can really make this a bigger company than what it is right now. We'll see what happens. At $1, we're valuing this company at around 62, 63 million. I think they have a total outstanding shares of around 62 million or something like that. I could be wrong on that. We'll see. I haven't really looked into it too deeply. Voyager Digital was down today, $2.81, 11.21%. Lordstown today was kind of just traded sideways, down another 17 cents after hours. Coin today had a really ugly day, down $18.40, down another 90 cents after hours. Ianthus Capital today was up 1.5 cents. Big digital asset. I don't own any shares of this. I sold out of it, but looking to buy in a position into this. We'll see where. I'm hoping it goes down lower. I don't know. We'll see. It looks like it's downtrending from MACD perspective. So I'm hoping that this thing goes back down to like $1. That would be awesome, but only time will tell what happens. Anyways, that is it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.